My name is Kavita Kundra, and I'm here to share with you all the subject of MSc DFSM, the Nutritional Biochemistry, and the code is MFN002. This video will be benefiting those students who are planning to do MSc DFSM from IGNOU after their bachelor course, or who already took the admission but they don't know about the course much. So one subject is there, nutritional biochemistry, and it's very difficult to pass this subject because it's actually a difficult subject, and most of the people don't have that background of chemistry, and because of that it's difficult for them to clear this out. So I'm just making it. This is my old book and you can see there's lots of things written on this, because I'm the one who actually write everything here only on the book itself. So let's come with the part of contents, what exactly it has. MFN002 Nutritional Biochemistry IGNOU book has a few topics, like if you can see here, this is carbohydrate. Unit 1, you will learn about carbohydrate, its structure, function, and then it's lipid and proteins, all chemical part. Like if you have a strong chemistry, you can easily go through this, and you can easily pass this subject. Then vitamins, then learning about enzyme and coenzyme, then digestion, absorption, transport of carbohydrates, carbohydrate metabolism. Every metabolism you will learn, like one is carbohydrate metabolism, lipid metabolism, amino acid and nucleotide metabolism, and after that it's antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, what are hormones, and inborn errors of metabolism. So they have 12 units which you will learn in biochemistry. So if we say next pages, we can go through that carbohydrate first, like what kind of things you will study here. Carbohydrate first is the introduction, what are carbohydrates, and definitions, meaning, history of carbohydrates, what kind of research took place, and then this is a chemistry of carbohydrate. This is the main concept, chemistry. So they see the chemical natures, you will learn about this. What are monosaccharides, different types of carbohydrates, like monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides, then isomerism of monosaccharides. Then you will see here all the chemical nature, you can see, right? You can see the figures here. These are all chemical nature, what kind of chemical reactions take place. These are then it's polysaccharides. Polysaccharides, maybe you will see like what kind of polysaccharides it is, like starch you will study, cellulose you will study, dextrins and inulin. Okay, so after that the chapter is finished. After that you can see that if you want to see your progress, like you can check what kind of answers you can easily give, and done. This is carbohydrate, right? So second chapter is lipid and protein, and you will learn about chemistry of lipids, what are lipids and types of lipids, their structure, function, chemical properties, then nucleic acid, what are amino acids, proteins, structures, and after that same. So this kind of thing it is. So if you want to come up with the full study with me, then this is the book we gonna study. If you want, then you can comment on below that YouTube video, and then we can check it out. If we can make a group, or we can do group study also, or if you want YouTube videos, then also it's fine. I'm going to start with every chapter, what exactly is important, because in full book you don't have to study full, but you need to know about what exactly the main parts are and what kind of things you is important for your examinations. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much. All the MSc DFSM students who wants to participate in study are welcome, and thank you so much. Stay safe, stay protected. Bye bye, take care.